If you have a low-quality picture and you want to make it look much better in Photoshop, this video is going to help you out. Today, I'm going to show you how to upscale an image using Preserve Details 2.0, which is one of the best methods for keeping graphics and landscapes sharp while enlarging them. This is perfect when you need a bigger version of a photo without that soft, muddy, or blurry look that usually happens when you stretch an image too much. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Photoshop and load the image you want to improve. Once your picture is open, go up to the top menu and click Image. Then choose Image Size. This is where you'll control the size and quality of the image. When the image size window opens, look for the link icon between width and height. Make sure that link is turned on because that keeps the aspect ratio locked. This means your image will not get stretched out of shape when you change the dimensions. Next, look at the Dimensions drop-down. You can change this to pixels or percent, depending on how you want to resize the image. If you're working with a small image, a good method is to increase the width from something like 800 pixels to 2400 pixels. Or, if you prefer, you can simply set the image to 200%. The goal here is to make the image larger while preserving as much detail as possible. Now, this next step is the most important part. Find the Resample drop-down menu. It may be set to automatic by default, but you want to change it to Preserve Details 2.0. This enhanced upscaling option is designed to give you a cleaner, sharper result when increasing image size. It does a much better job than standard resizing methods, especially for graphics, landscapes, and other images where detail matters. After selecting Preserve Details 2.0, you'll notice a Reduce Noise slider. This is useful because when you enlarge a low-quality image, digital grain and rough edges can become more obvious. Adjust the slider carefully to smooth out that extra noise without making the image look overly soft. The key is to find a balanced setting that improves clarity while still keeping the image natural. If you push it too far, the image can start to lose texture. So take a moment to preview the result and make small adjustments if needed. Once you're happy with the settings, click OK. Photoshop will apply the new size and use the Preserve Details 2.0 algorithm to upscale your image. After that, take a look at the final result. In many cases, you'll notice that the picture looks cleaner, bigger, and much more usable than before. This is a really helpful trick when you need to prepare images for presentations, thumbnails, posters, social media graphics, or any project where low resolution is a problem. And that's it! You've now learned how to make a low-quality picture higher quality in Photoshop using Preserve Details 2.0. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference when you need to upscale images without ruining sharpness. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Photoshop tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.